Hey guys, welcome back to S2 Performance. We're going to talk today about how you guys at home can make a cable machine using some very basic, inexpensive items. Most of you, if you're doing online training with me, you probably see me using some various exercises on a cable machine. There are hundreds of exercises that you can do on one, but they're very expensive and also very heavy. It's a piece of selectorized equipment, so it's not something that everybody has in their home gym, nor is it something you absolutely need. So I'm going to go through a couple of different setups here. I've got a set of red Rogue mini bands, and what I'd recommend is you get a set of red, green, and blue because these have different tension strengths on them. And I'm going to just come up to my squat rack and I'm going to do a very simple girth hitch. So all I'm doing is looping one end through the other, and I'm going to secure that into a high position. Now, the next thing I'm going to do that you're going to want to have is a lot of carabiners. This makes the process really simple, and you want them in different sizes. Now, I've got a handle that's on here, and I'm also going to set up a tricep extension. These accessory exercises using rope or accessory items like the handle, the rope, you could have a wide grip lap bar, you could have a close grip lap bar. All these different attachments are very simple to find. If you go to Power Systems, power-systems.com, or just go into Amazon and just put a search in for cable attachments, and this is what you'll see come up. You're going to want a rope. You're going to want some handles. You're going to probably want some ankle cuffs that you can do various types of glute exercises with. But right now, very simply, I'm just going to hook a carabiner on there with a handle. I'm in a high position, so obviously I can hit high rows. If I put it more towards the middle, I could be setting up cable flies, any number of things. Low positions, obviously going to hit different parts of the back. And basically, this is doing the exact same thing that a cable machine would do, except the cable would have a pin, and I would pull the unit up and down, put it in a position where I want it. You can also attach to, and this is assuming you have a squat rack. If you don't, you very easily could just attach some eye bolts into your 2x4 into the wall. Just put an eye bolt into the wall, into the 2x4, attach a carabiner, and you've got basically the same setup. But most of you, if you're working with me, probably have a squat rack, and this is the easiest way to do it. So once again, I can attach both units, make it a little tougher. Another thing to think about is I can put one in a high position, one in a low position, and get a lot more tension. For instance, let's say we're wanting to do some chops. Well, I'm going to put one high, I'm going to put one down low. Now all of a sudden, I've got tension all the way up and down my body. This is an incredible exercise. So these are really super easy to set up. I'll do one more for you just to give you an idea. And I'm just going to loop it around the top of the rack and hit a tricep extension. So once again, I'm using it just like I would a cable machine. Instead of adjusting the arm to bring it low or to bring it into a more vertical position or to move the carriage up and down, all I'm doing is attaching this band in different parts of the rack. And this is just an example. I could attach 2 or 3 bands or a thicker, stronger band. Now I'm into tricep extensions, all kinds of push downs, different movements. There is nothing you can't do with this accessory or with a cable machine that you can't do. With the simple bands, you're probably looking at maybe a $100 investment replaces a $5,000 cable machine.